is an Eastern of GAL, Jet plus VP. This is originally a Westinghouse. This is an independent service last time, so I wasn't able to run this last time. We're going down to the basement. Hope that's locked. Different indicator for GAL, that's interesting. Yeah, basement's locked, so I'll go up to 12. White, and here we go. Same speed, and that's annoying. There's also an original Westinghouse next to it with manual doors, but sadly that one doesn't work. The two elevators across from our passenger, and they got Adams. Here, 12. Down to 1. 88 phone, mystery fluid on the floor. Basic pad elevator is Big Brother. It's locked. Eastern GAL Jet plus VP. Elevator 4. Definitely not an Otis control because Otis wouldn't have accepted that.